Okay, hi guys, Lois here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the formula of a circle. So let's begin with our lesson today. So first of all, what's the definition of a circle? So the circle is have the definition like this, as we all know about circle, right? The circle look like this. Circle will look like this, and in the center of circle there is some center point like this, right? So the definition of the circle is the set of all points on the plane in the planes that at a fixed distance from a center point. So for example, in here, distance from this point to one of this point line of the circle is equal to this line, and it's also equal to this line, and as well as this. And because these sets of points are at a fixed distance from center point, and the distance that is called radius, which is r. If we make the r is simple, is stand for radius. Okay, so and how can we create an equation of circle? As you can see here, we already got the distance. We already learned about the distance equation, right? So the distance between 2 points, which is A and B, is x2 minus x1 square and plus y2 minus y1 square and under a radical. So in this, imagine that we got a center point right here and all point like this, right? So we just call like A is the center point and B is all of this point here, like B, 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 B here, right? So the equation is easy. It's just like how we imagine that a circle is x. We need to be write the distance first, distance equation first. Like here, x minus the x1 is the coordinate of A, so x1 plus y minus y2, which is A is the center point right here, and the distance here need to be radius, right? So the radius I put like here, and the center point right here is not is the formula. The basic formula is not A, which is x1 and x and y1. The formula of the O is h and k. H and k is we don't know that, so we just resolve it like h minus x minus h, and here is y minus k is equal to r, which is the radius, right? And right now we just need to square both sides of the equation. So as well, we x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. And here's the formula of a circle which have the radius is the radius of r, and the center point, which is O, is h and k, right? So remember this equation. Okay, let's try some example first. So what are the example to solve the problem related to this circle? So first of all, it's just the basic one. The most simple example of circle. So this one, find the equation which has the r's 2 and the center point is C 1 and 3. So we have the formula which is h minus h, right, square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So we replace the h with the x coordinate of C, first, and then we replace the 3, which is the y coordinate of of c, to this equation. So there we got 8x minus 1 square, right? And here is y minus 3 square as well. And what is the r? R here we already got is equal to 2, right? So here's equal to 2, which is we can put that in like 4, right? So here is the equation of the circle, which has this detail, this property. So let's try with big example. The first step, we just need to rewrite the formula, which is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So we just do the same thing. We replace O to this and O to this, and the r is equal to this one, right? So therefore, the formula we got is x minus 0 square y minus 0 square equal to 4 square. So x minus 0 square is, I can replace as by x square. So this one, x square plus y square equal to 16. So that is our equation. So let's try out last example. There's this point lie on the circle. So we already got the circle, which is the radius equal to 3, and the point is, which is 2 and 1. From a circle, from the equation, we can got that, right? So there's these point lie on that. We have one method to test is that we replace the x coordinate in this to x here and y coordinate to the y here, and calculate are they correct. If they're correct, is this point will lie on that circle, and if it's not correct, the point is outside of the circle or not lie on the circle. So I will calculate this one. First of all, I rewrite the equation. X minus 2 square, y minus 1 square, right? Okay, so I put the 5 to x and the 1 to y here. So I got 9 equal to 5 minus 2 square and 1 minus 1 square. And so therefore I got 9 equal to 3 square, and here 0 square. Is this correct? Yeah, it's correct, because 3 square is 9 and 0 square is 0. So I can put it like this. It's 9 plus 0. So this is correct. So the point lies on the circle. Right. Okay, so we can try another example. I can put the equation here, like 3 square equal to x minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square. And there's the point lie on that. I just test like this, like the previous method I mentioned, that I replace x with 0 and y with 0, which is the coordinate of this point. So here's 9, and here's 0 minus 2, which is and here's 0 minus 1 square. So in here, as you guys all can see, is minus 2 square and minus 1 square. And I can simplify this by this. Minus 2 square is equal to 4, and minus 1 square is equal to 1. So there's 9 equal to 5. That's not correct. So I put here is nonsense or invalid. or something like that is or not correct. So therefore, I can conclude that the point does not lie on the circle. Okay, right? So this is the end of the lesson already. In this lesson, I just want to mention about the equation of a circle, which is with the 0 is h and k, the radius is r, so we got x minus h squared plus y minus k squared and equal to r squared, like that. And with that, I'm done for today. Thank you for listening.